This petition specifically focuses upon and emphasizes its plea on behalf of Black women and children in Alabama because the abortion industry's egregiously disproportionate and discriminatory practices towards Black women and children are far more pronounced than to any other ethnic group.
Just as Alabama law would protect an African American person from being lynched in Alabama, we're asking that court to answer the question, should Alabama laws protect an African American person from being dismembered?
No ethnic group in American society has ever suffered more deliberate discrimination, dehumanization, torture, dismemberment, and death legally imposed upon them than Black children.
Abortion takes the lives of approximately 120 children every week in Alabama. 120 persons. African Americans constitute 27% of the population, but 60% of the abortions. It's time for Alabama to take responsibility for the children in their state and protect them, regardless of their color, their race, or their phase of development.
We're asking this great state to recognize the personhood of infant life in the womb.
Forget cancer. Forget diabetes. Forget homicide, regardless of whether it's white on black or black on black. Abortion alone, all by itself, kills more Black Americans than all 13 leading causes of death. Abortion by itself is the #1 cause of death in Black America.
The most dangerous place for an African American to be is in the womb of their African American mother. Give them aid, we beg you.
My birth mom is white. My birth father was Black. And I'm glad to be here. Because according to the latest data from the Alabama Department of Public Health in 2018, 7,300 of my brothers and sisters will never be heard from. And that is why we are here today.
Our families are disintegrating. Our children are being destroyed at the hands of abortion. The abortion industry and Planned Parenthood in particular, through slick advertisement and sophisticated marketing, has deceived women, and especially Black women, into believing that the only answer to unintended pregnancy is to murder their children.
Every Black child put to death in the womb is unjustly denied the civil rights gained over the years, including growing up to have the right to vote. Since 1973, 20 million Black babies have been killed. Each child aborted is a child who never even was given a drink of water. Each child aborted is a stranger whose names people will never know nor be adopted. Those are the least of these.
In 1963, in this great state of Alabama, the governor, George Wallace, said segregation today, segregation tomorrow, segregation forever. We are asking the court to recognize that children in the womb are worthy of equal protection and to commit to provide that equal protection yesterday, today, and forever.
I am here to tell you we are not undesirables. We are not lesser, and we are not human weeds. We are children of God, imbued with His dignity and His worth, and nobody can take that away from us.
And we need to end this scourge. We need to end it today.
We are inviting Alabama to lead the way this time in bringing an end to this great crime against humanity by acknowledging what we are asking for in the writ of mandamus.
We couldn't be more clear as a people about what we believe, about what we value, and about what we stand for. would you ask the court to provide equal protection under the law? I am asking for our state, I'm asking for our nation, and I'm asking for my brothers and sisters whose voices we will never get to hear.